Ever wondered why we hiccup? Let's dive into the science. Hiccups start with involuntary spasms of the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe. These spasms cause a sudden intake of air, quickly halted by the glottis closing, creating that hic sound. Triggers? Eating too fast, carbonated drinks, sudden temperature changes, or even stress. Some researchers believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from our amphibian ancestors. Fascinated by the quirks of our bodies? Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science.